Diana Martinez, a retired school teacher, has two passions, quilting and people. Now she can do both where she works at the old craft store.
I had retired, and quilting is something that I love. As a teacher, I really miss the interaction with people and with kids, and so coming here was a way for me to still be involved with a passion that I have, which is quilting, and also to be able to be around people who want to learn. I teach the beginner classes here, and I really enjoy that part of it.
Myra Robinson is a reoccurring customer at the old craft store. Here she buys her materials to make quilts for her family.
There's so much help. They know what they're doing, and they know here they'll make you suggestions of things that you look like they would match with this. And that means a lot when you just walk in off the street.
That's what quilting is, really. It's about being in a community of people who are like-minded. You can talk about whatever you want to talk about, but when it gets down to it, you all have a passion for creating something out of nothing.
For reporter Hayden Knight, I'm Emma Caldwell reporting for the Gloria Shields Workshop.